Alright, so welcome officially to the course. Thank you so much for enrolling, and this video is just to give you a formal introduction as to what to expect in the course. So we're going to be analyzing how to use the Yoast SEO plugin, and it is expected that you already have some basic fundamental knowledge of WordPress. Ideally, you should have a WordPress website, and you should also be familiar with how to use plugins. Knowing a little bit of SEO is also important, so that when we start talking about things like the Google Search Console or keywords, things like that, you should be familiar with such terms. So we're going to start off with the very basic configuration of Yoast SEO. We'll take a look at how we can perform some basic functions like writing meta descriptions for our homepage, writing snippets. We'll take a look at indexing as well. And then we'll move on to a bit more advanced functionalities like how we can fix broken links using the Yoast SEO plugin. And then in the final section, we'll take a look at how we can write better content for our audience using the Yoast SEO plugin. So I hope you have a lot of fun taking the course, and if you have any questions along the way, always feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much, and let's get started.